Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram post after posting. First, open your Instagram app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Then, tap on the post you want to add music to. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right. Now select Delete on the bottom right and then delete the post. After that, tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now, tap on the post again and then tap on Next. Once you're here, tap on Add Music. Now scroll through or search the music that you want to add. Once you find it, just tap on it. Now, adjust the music as you want. And once it's done, tap on Done on the top right and then Share. Now, all you have to do is wait for it to get uploaded. Now, if you go to your profile, you can see the post is added with music. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.